Hey guys, welcome to our channel Student Impulse, a unique channel to help job seekers, both freshers and experienced professionals. It also helps students to get to know what the skill set they have to improve during their studies, which lands them a dream job after their education.
In this video, I am going to share latest job openings in Mangalore location and it is from Karnataka. Let us see what are the job openings in detail. Coming to the first one, Energy Test is hiring for the social media marketing specialist. Coming to the key requirements, good communication skills and freshers also can apply and based in Mangalore only. And coming to the roles and responsibilities, identify and grow target audience, design and implement direct email marketing campaigns, proofread emails and post for clarity, grammar and spelling, insert mobile friendly email and post templates, write newsletters including all company updates, upgrade their mail and poster templates using graphics, personalization and advanced features, insert promotions and accurate communications with the clients, create databases for lead generation based in Mangalore only, and good graphic designing skills are required, and handle all social media platforms. And these are the roles and responsibilities, and interested candidates can apply for this job role, and they can share your resume to the given mail ID provided here. Next one, there is a job opening available in Logician and they are looking for business development associate. Coming to the experience, 1 year experience is required or else freshers also can apply. Coming to the qualifications, preferably bachelor's or master's degree in sales or marketing is required. Coming to the key responsibilities, drive sales for the local app platform in Mangalore region, onboarding stores, vendors, franchise on the platform, build and execute sales and marketing strategies, handle customer and franchise relationships, and follow up on sales leads and to help generate new sales leads, prepare documents and contracts for a franchise. And coming to the requirements, good communication skills in English and local language Tulu and Kannada is an added advantage for this job role. Interested candidates can apply for this job role by the link given below in the description. Coming to the next one, Axis Research Labs are hiring for the business development representative. Coming to the key roles and responsibilities, reaching out to leads related to industry specific, handling client queries and responsible for managing individual client, responsible for closing of deals and generate revenue for the organization with the proper ROI, and must have excellent written and verbal communication with problem solving skills, and identifying cost trends to assist management in cost reduction and the process improvement efforts. And these are the key roles and responsibilities. Coming to the skills and abilities required, excellent customer service skills and impressive communication skills, excellent negotiation skills, ability to deliver convincing presentations, and good leadership skills are required. Coming to the education qualifications, any graduation or postgraduate candidates can apply for this job role, and the experience will be 3 years, or freshers also can apply. And the category is the sales department, and it is a full-time and permanent job, and it is based on IT industry, IT services and consulting. And interested candidates can apply for this job role by the link given below in the description. Next one, there is a job opening available in HDFC Securities. They are looking for equity dealer and they are looking for graduates minimum 1 year experience in capital market or an equity dealer, and interested candidates can apply for this job role by the link given below in the description. Next, there is a job opening available in App Insight Technologies. They are looking for digital marketing executive. Coming to the job responsibilities, own the entire paid marketing strategy to acquire users, through multiple paid channels in the most optimized manner, tracking efficiencies of the marketing spend across channels including Facebook campaigns, Google UAC campaigns, ad networks and social media campaigns, and be experimental in exploring new channels to drive traffic and acquisition, which includes performance marketing through FB or AdWords. And coming to the requirements, minimum 2 years of experience in leading and managing Facebook, Google AdWords and UAC and ad networks, responsible for handling a campaign budget of more than 1000k per month, and should showcase a strong analytical skills and data driven approach to marketing campaigns, and should be comfortable in writing various and copies and brainstorming for new creative ideas. And coming to the desired skills and experience, and candidates should be proficient in Google Ads, SEM and SEO, and interested candidates can apply for this job role by the link given below in the description. Coming to the next one, Vision Data Analytics, they are hiring Angular developer. And coming to the experience, 4 to 6 years of experience is required. Coming to the key skill sets, Angular 6 plus and TypeScript and RxJS are the key skills that they are looking for. Coming to the required skills, a JavaScript engineer capable of writing clean, concise and testable code, and has experience with object-oriented JavaScript, and the candidate has worked on Angular 2 and above, and has worked with JavaScript libraries such as jQuery, YUI, and has experience with HTML5 and XHTML and XML, JSON and Bootstrap. And these are the required skills. Interested candidates can apply for this job role by the link given below in the description. Next one, result is looking for UI or UX designer, CSS or JavaScript. Coming to the job description, they are looking for a dynamic UI or UX designer who will be responsible for the user experience, UX and a user interface, UI design of their various digital assets, and the candidates will ensure that all elements of the online user experience are optimized for improved usability, usefulness and exceptional visual design, and the successful candidate will evidence a passion for delivering adaptive and creative solutions to UI or UX design problems by staying up to date with best practices and emerging trends in user experience design and user interface technology. And coming to the primary skills, the candidates should be proficient in HTML, CSS, JavaScript and jQuery. And coming to the secondary skills, that is a SharePoint. Interested candidates can apply for this job role by the link given below in the description. Next one, there is a job opening available in Codecraft Technologies Private Limited. They are looking for software architect or CTO. And coming to the job duties and responsibilities, design, develop and execute software solutions to address business issues, provide architectural blueprint and technical leadership to their IT teams, evaluate and recommend tools, technologies and process to ensure the highest quality is being delivered, and define all aspects of development from appropriate technologies and workflow to coding standards. And coming to the requirements, excellent knowledge of application design and architecture, knowledge of agile development methodologies, extensive experience building scalable web applications, solid fundamentals in data structures and algorithms, familiarity with several coding and computer languages are required, and these are the key requirements. Coming to the skills required, JavaScript, Amazon Web Services and Node.js, Express, Kubernetes and Java. These are the skills required. Interested candidates can apply for this job role by the link given below in the description. Next one, there is a job opening available in Codecraft Technologies Private Limited. They are looking for lead designer. Coming to the key requirements, needs to be a critical thinker and a problem solver, strong conceptualization and visual communication abilities, proven track record for designing interfaces for mobile and web, proficient in popular design and prototyping tools like Sketch, Figma, Adobe XD, and experience working with an agile development team, a portfolio that showcases creative problem solving and good communication skills are required. Coming to the roles and responsibilities, requirement gathering and client interaction, provide design solutions, research interaction design, visual design directions, and translate business and user requirements into highly effective design solutions, and creative low to high fidelity wireframes, user flows and prototypes to communicate ideas to multiple stakeholders. Coming to the skills, the candidates should be user interface design and user experience design, and these are the skills required, and interested candidates can apply for this job role by the link given below in the description.
That's it in this video, guys. If you like the video, please like, share to your friends and family members who are in need of job. And if you have any queries, please comment in the comment section, and please encourage us to do more videos in your location. Thank you for watching the video.